Unexpected encounters between police officers and wild animals have been fully captured on body cam footage. From bears and alligators to some of the most dangerous animals in the wild, you won't believe what happens next. Stay tuned for Police versus Wild Animals. Body cam captures everything. In Alaska, it's not unusual to see bears sprinting down the streets. It's practically a local specialty. The dog must have been terrified and freezing at that moment, but fortunately, it was rescued by a uniformed officer acting like a true guardian angel. A young deer stood helpless and confused in the middle of a fast-moving highway. Fortunately, Toledo police officers arrived just in time to save its life. Only in Florida. Imagine going out to take the trash or opening the door for a delivery, only to come face to face with a 6-foot building security guard. You'd probably faint on the spot. Living here definitely requires a strong heart.
You putting it in the back here? Yeah.
Florida police officers probably didn't just study law at the academy. They must have taken a mixed martial arts with reptiles course to handle situations like this so smoothly.
You gotta get through this. There we go. That'll work.
The Kalamazoo police officers probably expected a routine day of catching a few lost dogs. But instead, the universe handed them a wrestling with an alligator challenge that left them frozen for 5 seconds. This is a true hide-and-seek master hiding out in New Jersey for 14 days before finally being captured. But as the saying goes, justice never misses. And even an alligator eventually gave up against the officer's persistence.
Negative.
Oh my God, am I seeing this right? Is that officer actually handling an alligator with his bare hands and no safety equipment at all?
Working?
It's slowly working, challenged by that friggin' chunk of lumber.
Well, he'll come right at you, man.
I know. Easy.
When you come face to face with a bear, even the strongest friendship has to give way to pure speed and survival instincts.
Go ahead. Go. Yeah.
Their coordination was precise and decisive. If you were in their position, how would you handle a situation like this? A clash between two large, powerful dog breeds like this is truly nerve-wracking. The officers on scene also had a difficult time stepping in to protect their partners and bring the situation under control. At 12 feet long, it could probably swallow a piglet whole. This guy looks like he escaped from a circus or a zoo, just out looking for a place to sunbathe. Its massive, powerful body is truly intimidating. This young deer must have sneaked into the yard last night to take a few penalty shots, but its technique wasn't quite there now. It's tangled up in the net with its antlers stuck. That'll teach it to stick to soccer dreams. She may look chubby, but this pig can weave through the streets like a pro. The Utah police officers were left breathless trying to run her down, small in size, but surprisingly skilled.
Hey, deal with that. That thing big, boy. You got it. You almost got it. Sorry about the joke. Yeah, somebody pet.
Burmese pythons in the Everglades are massive, each one as thick as a utility pole with an incredibly powerful grip. Yet the officers still stepped in with their bare hands, expertly securing the tail and controlling the head. That takes real courage and skill. Already lost and disoriented. It also had to face police officers on top of that. No wonder the little one was completely panicked.
That's literally Apollo. Yeah.
When you're on patrol and unexpectedly run into a youth idol in its fluffy version, don't let that innocent appearance fool you.
It's so cute. I love it.
Times have changed. Police cars used to chase people with sirens blaring, but now they're the ones being chased down the road by a flock of wild turkeys. When you try to make a dramatic prison break, but end up choosing U.S. Highway 131 as your stage. Officers approaching should remember to wear protective eyewear. This species is known for its highly accurate long-range rain spray defense, spitting so one slip-up and you're instantly hit. When you're born a llama, but you have the soul of a track and field athlete. Catching one large pig is already exhausting, but here the officers had to round up an entire squad of tiny, jet-powered piglets. Watching them dart under cars and weave through traffic makes you feel for the officers running themselves ragged. These are some of the most intense and unbelievable moments between police officers and wild animals captured on camera. If you enjoy real body cam footage like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next episodes.